Hello friends, today we are gonna learn how to restore MongoDB database from a dump file. So to do that, we'll create, we'll have a dump folder where we have a database. Okay, so we'll open our CMD in that folder. And we'll make a folder named data in the directory. We'll migrate to that data folder. Sorry, we'll make db folder over there inside this. So we'll have a structure like this: data db. In this we'll restore our MongoDB database. So to do this, we'll have to run this command mongodb path and the path of our db folder. Click enter. Here you'll see that this is waiting for a new connection. So we'll open a new command prompt over here and run mongo restore dump. This will extract the MongoDB database to the our DB folder. Here you can see the database has been extracted over here. We can check it out. We'll have to run the MongoDB server. Our server is running. You can see our databases. Here is our databases. You can see the collections. This way we can restore our MongoDB dump. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thanks.